Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now we're heading to Subaru to pick up some parts that I ordered. Nothing special, just some bolts that I thought I'd get brand new, just so the motor looks nice overall. But today we're going to be cleaning and painting the block. Just not the whole block, but the visually, you know, the parts that you can see. So we're going to be painting that, and we'll get back to you guys once we get back to the house, and we're on our way to doing so. Alright, wait for this fucking plane to leave, and we're coming back. Alright guys, we're back from Subaru. Here's the motor and kind of how, basically where we left off. Bam! As you can see, it's basically the same. It's been pretty hectic this week, but like I said, we're gonna be painting the block today. We're gonna be painting the top of the block, this and this part of the front. I don't think anyone would worry about this. I would hope not. At least we're not gonna worry about this front, just because it gets covered up by the timing cover anyways. So we're not gonna worry about that. What's up? We're also gonna be painting the back of the block. Hopefully this turns out nice. Well, this side will. This side has some extra stuff on it that might throw it off, but it won't be too bad. Here's the paint we're gonna use. It's from VHT. It's engine enamel, and it's, you know, satin black. So hopefully this looks good. If you watched our video from last week, we used wrinkle black to paint the intake manifold, and it turned out all right. So hopefully the two colors kind of go together. As far as the color goes, I mean, they're both flat basically, the only difference being the texture, because this one's just wrinkle, this one's not. But I feel like the two colors will complement each other very well. We also, these valve covers, we're gonna paint them wrinkle black as well. The only problem that I'm having right now is trying to find out whether I can use the US valve cover gasket, just because of the AVCS or AVSC. I forget what it's called. AVCS. Thank you. So hopefully the US one works. If not, I'm gonna have to buy a JDM one, which I really don't want to, because everywhere I see, as soon as they slap JDM on there, they want like triple the price. Just bullshit. But we'll see how that goes. Either way, once we make some progress, we'll be back. We'll show you guys where we're at. Hopefully it turns out all right. But we'll be back. All right, guys. So this is how we're gonna go ahead and clean the motor. We've got this brake cleaner. Usually get the green one, which is non-chlorinated, but this is what we have. So this is what we're gonna use. It should work fine. And this sponge pad, hopefully this Brillo side will work, and we can get that cleaned up real good. Hopefully with the combination of both, we shouldn't have any trouble. Fingers crossed. Here's the pad we were using to clean up the block. We're trying to get some of the grease off. It wasn't working, as you can kind of see. Hopefully it's just getting torn up by the block. So we got this wire brush. This will work. What's up, everyone? So we came to AutoZone, we ran out of brake cleaner, and we figured out it was the best method to use, just because there's a lot of deep, like, holes or concave areas, whatever you want to call them, in the actual block. So getting in there with the wire brush was not possible. I really don't want to use a toothbrush to fucking clean. So we're just gonna use a shit ton of brake cleaner and water and cross our fingers. Alright guys, we're fucking back. We got some more. Hopefully this can will do the trick.
Stop it. I'm not putting that in there.
We're back. So this is as clean as we got with using the brake cleaner. We're not, honestly, we could probably get it cleaner. I'm not gonna keep going trying to get it cleaner. I think this is good enough. Right now we're just gonna tape it off. We'll tape off whatever we need to tape off and start spraying. Alright guys, so we started spraying and I kind of got, it was going to be a test spray just to make sure it looked good, and test spray just kind of turned into the whole block basically being sprayed. I don't know if you want to show that real quick. So it started off with one quick spray and then it turned into, I basically sprayed down half the thing. I still need to do a little bit of taping around this area just to make sure we don't get down here. But besides that, we're just kind of gonna be careful. I'll be honest, I'm kind of lazy to tape off the rest, and there's a bolt here. Good thing I fucking saw that. That would have sucked. And we just gotta take off this sensor real quick. But besides that, we'll be back when we kind of get a little bit further, and we'll let you guys, so you guys can see how it's looking so far. Back. So this is where we're at right now. This is with 2 coats of that VHT satin black that I showed you guys earlier. It's looking really good. I'm super excited. Honestly, I got really lazy with the masking in some parts, but overall, she is looking beautiful. Some of these like sensors, like the cam positioning sensor, and there's another one over here for the crank positioning sensor. I just figured I'd spray over them, and I'm kind of replacing a lot of the maintenance stuff anyway, so I'll probably end up replacing those too. So don't worry about that overspray too much there. And I did the same for the front of the block, kind of oversprayed a little bit. But again, like this being sealed by that timing valve gasket doesn't really matter too much. And if I want at the end, I can just sand that down a little bit with some sanding paper and get those edges all nice and smooth and get the paint off. So that way everything has a good seal. But overall, super excited. It's looking out great. Probably tomorrow, well, we're gonna finish this up tonight, and then tomorrow we'll show you guys the end result, and hopefully I can do some more research about the valve cover gaskets, whether the JDM ones are the same as the USDM ones, the ones that have the AVCS or AVCS. Yep, thank you, Alex. We'll do that, and if it's the same, I'll get that ordered, and hopefully we can get the whole thing painted and start assembling, because I'm really excited. The color combo, you guys will see, but it's gonna look pretty damn fucking good. It'll look gaudy as fuck. Alright guys, we're back. It's the next day. This is the finished product. We did 4 coats of the sand black. It turned out pretty good, honestly, better than I thought it was gonna turn out. There's some spots, like, I don't know if you can see that in there, to where I guess we didn't clean it well enough, so it just kind of didn't stick. But we'll go back through that. It shouldn't be a big deal. Everywhere else looks really damn good. I believe I've come to a conclusion on these valve cover gaskets as well. I think it doesn't matter whether it's the dual or the single. They just have to be the JDM ones. So I'm gonna get those ordered, and hopefully we can get those painted soon as well, so we can have everything slapped on. And here's the back. Oh shit, get out of here, son. Nope, doesn't look as good. Well, either way, yeah, this is the final product. Looks pretty damn nice. I'm excited to get everything put back together. But yeah, if you guys want to continue watching the build, please go ahead and subscribe, or shit, I don't care, come back and just keep watching the videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys, and we'll see you later.
That's good.